Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone 17 or iPhone 16 or other iPhones. So if you are also into the same situation, don't worry, just follow the methods discussed in this video. The very first method is to force quit the app. So you have to force quit the app if it's running in the background. You simply have to swipe up from bottom to top, and in the background you will see WhatsApp. You simply have to swipe up this, and after that try to open the app and check if it's working. If not, you should check if there is any server downtime going on. For that, you can go to Google and search for down detector. There you have to search for WhatsApp, and after that you have to check if there is any server downtime going on. If so, then you have to wait for some time unless the WhatsApp comes back to its position, and after that try to launch the app and check if the WhatsApp is working on your iPhone or not. If that fails, you should check if there is stable internet connection. Remember, WhatsApp requires a stable internet connection, so you should check if your internet connection is stable or not. You can go to Wi-Fi if you are using mobile data, or do vice versa, or even you can enable airplane mode and again disable airplane mode, and after that check if the app is launching or not. If not, next is to clear cache of the WhatsApp. For that, you have to go to settings. After that, here you have to click on general. Now click on iPhone storage. After that, search for WhatsApp. Click on the arrow icon. Here you have to click on offload app, and then again click on offload app. So this will clear the cache of WhatsApp. After that, go back and launch the app and check if it's working. If not, you should check if the app needs any kind of update. For that, go to the App Store. Here in the search option, search for WhatsApp, and here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, you have to update your WhatsApp to the latest version, and after that launch the app and check if it's working. If not, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, you have to go to the settings, go to the general, click on software update, and here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your iPhone OS to the latest version, and after that launch the app and check if WhatsApp is working now. But if the issue still continues, then the final solution is to reinstall the app once. So for that, you have to delete the app first. For that, click and hold the icon over here. Now click on remove app and then click on delete app. So this will delete the app from your phone. After that, you have to go to the App Store. In the search option, search for WhatsApp, and here you have to install the app once again, and after that check if the WhatsApp is working on your iPhone or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.